basic schedule inglong bang pana ai ala table one along kitanwen alam do.
When I go through the Constitution, especially Schedule 1, which describes the state of Assam, it describes the state of Assam as the province of Assam, the Khasi states, and the tribal areas of Assam.
Nasahla schedule 1 along ne Indian ain along ne porhe pamilo lang dam pamilo pen ne pachalo ba Assam along Assam province along pen tribal kido area long thanwen do.
Why is the word Khasi state still in the Constitution? Why does the word Khasi state describe the area of Assam? It is because areas like Amri Karbi, you are part and parcel of Khasi states.
Minonali India ayu lang dam kantne Khasi state walang nali pachada me. Pwede ka pachada me mena kicheng prali sanction la mel gatki la ben thoksi minonali Amri walam ta labang ainalong amen dalonge.
And it was the British who brought this division. It was the British who took away your land. It was the British who opened this way for exploitation, especially denial of your rights.
Lasi na bel ilungle palang ipan aduar kicheng pon ke ala British apor kicheng pon ala sisi aduar kam pon bedi lalu berasi ili stem kacingdom de ili Amrihian Homan kita tepo lalu berasal lepon lalu tribal lalu.
Mr. Jaintia Das, as an important member of the BJP, which is in power in Assam, I am requesting you that we have to go into the historical perspective. We have to go into the right and wrong which has been done to my people and to the people of Amri Karbi.
Setelah dasapan salda sudah terjadi Mali meso curan permit bala Amri Karbi hal meso kirengapan meso lule pelang kecelo papan Nali government lo gidole BJP lo nang kapitya le pen kimme gidol deployment kala le na la melakam ka cirap dulaki.
I am requesting that let us forget politics. Let us put politics aside in this instance, where let the rights of the Amri Karbi people, let this be made into constitutional right.
Pelule pelang kecilnya mulke parti lamba nane ili kira parti lamba belik do pen ili jati po kira bahasa ili meso curan pemiliki.
I know it will be a very tough one. But the point is that if we come together for what is good, then we should be able to achieve it.
Kisung aduar pocedian lo kisung aduar la mela kam kecil lagi la mela adiman sorkari ka lagi mata ili ilong ne homan ne duar kam kang tende la bang kam ke kisung akam kale kajal so kam.
In the words of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, when he came to Shillong, at the time before including the Khasi Hills into the Constitution of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel said, if a debtor, one who gives a loan, is too poor or too weak to ask back for that loan, then should we treat him in a different way? Should we take away his right by force? My answer is that the people of Amri Karbi, your right is to become self-tribes, your right is to determine your future, your right is to build up the future of your children.
Tusan Allah, Shalom, Patel Batu Amur, Alang Kipu, isi alam alang likitan, ihu darling, abudia sekarang ini har pido, lur pido, Allah ikut kita lebang paham dan domam segitu. Lah beriman mah, kalau ini Amerika Kristen, kita kira bahagian bahagian, anda dulu kecil bahagian bahagian, banta ili kerja mereka ahon, ili kerja mereka hop ke, jibeli mereka yang patutnya.
In closing, I have only this to say.
Sekejut dengan alipan alip kami.
The law will take its own course.
Anke abthang adwar dame.
We have a map of 1896 certified by the Surveyor General of British India, which shows that these areas, in fact, were part and parcel of the Khasi states.
Asali, makalong dadatango, sorbelong dalilong tango, Bangladesh dunia pakai apropriasi ala Shillong, nade Khasi state ala sido, kukene ali, mak ani ke deprego.
What is right should be accepted as right.
Pot sa hok kene ma labang hok kene po long leke pen ili prenamne.
What is wrong has to be accepted as wrong. And the historical wrong must be righted.
Lasi pot sekiwang we kene ma labang kuang we kene pe kuang we sekuleke. Lasi menon ili history alam lang dam kan kene menon no ili ke pakai ni apor.
From the Joint Action Committee, we will work closely with the Amri Karbi National Council.
Ali Joint Action Committee perka la Amri Karbi National Council per le homat kido.
We will place at their disposal for your benefit all our talent, all our knowledge, and all our efforts.
Senali pot manisi labang alungri pro nali ringoma labang kene poli government table along bidame pen pot sili karima pot sili akam kidoma labang kene poli government ni.
Thank you so much. God bless you and keep you. And may we win in this fight, even though it takes a long time.
Si kardon
Kardam.
nalio arnam nali parung nal hobat dunda minori kecilare akam kiha akam boke kahlo akam duar ka akiding dam hone kahlo na menta pilih samane dam si labang akam poli palope ke kardon.
Kardam.